Lulu. Lulu, what are you doing? What you doing? She woke me up this morning. She's always getting into shit. Hey, come here. Come here. What are you doing, silly? Hi. Oh, are you being a good girl? Don't mess with my shoes. Lou. Hey, get down. Come on. You want to go outside? That's what she does in the morning. She comes in my room, wakes me up, paces around, gets into my shit, and is all cute in the meantime. What do you want to do? What do you want? She's the little princess. You're the spoiled brat. Well, what do you want? You want to go out? You want to go out? Huh? Can you say please? No. Okay. All right, here you go. Bugger.